Hi.
Their little runs are so funny.
I know. You're so cute. Come here. You can come over here. He's gonna stare at us. Oh, there's my little baby birds.
They already rub their butt on stuff.
I know, it's ridiculous. Oh, my little baby birds. You just like little baby birds. Oh, there we go.
What?
What?
You're in a lap and I'm petting you. What more do you want?
She's like, I want your face and I want to cuddle. There. See, that's all. She just needs to be held constantly. I'm sure we can find an adopter to do that. Come on, little legs. You can do it. Come on, little legs. They're like, we have a feeling you're making fun of us.
Yeah. Oh, God. We need to see if anybody can make us a puppy papoose.
Right.
That we can send with them. Be like, seriously, they won't shut up unless you do this. Just wear them.
Seriously, it won't even need to be that strong. Be like, it just needs to hold like. Oh my gosh.
That one's in your legs crying.
Why are you fussing? That's you? Why are you crying? Because I won't let you on my finger. Is that it? Hi there.
Here we go. They're
I
fighting.
think we're going to get some gremlin girls. Slow motion, ridiculous, tiny puppy fights. What are you doing on me? Oh, what?
Whoa, that's cool.